Hello, I'm Peter from First Maths, and today we're going to be looking at the multiplication symbols. The resources you need for today will be a 1 to 6 dice for each pair, linking cubes. The mental learning objective today will be I can multiply two small numbers mentally. The mental learning task is this. Remember the lesson about the plate of biscuits? If you don't worry. What we did was we had 5 plates and we had put 3 biscuits on each plate. How many biscuits did I have altogether? 5 times 3, which equals 15. If I had 2 lots of 4 biscuits, how many do I have altogether? So that would be 2 times 4. And what would that equal? That would equal 8. If I had 3 plates and I wanted 3 biscuits on each plate, how many biscuits would I need? You can pause the video while the class works this out. It would be 3 lots of 3, or 3 plus 3 plus 3, which equals 9. Throw 2 1 to 6 dice. Use the dice numbers to make simple multiplication problems. Play this game for a few goes. Pause the video while you do this. Remember every number partner. If 5 lots of 3 makes 15, you then automatically know 3 lots of 5 also make 15. So you only need to learn half your times tables because the other half are automatically the same. Isn't that super? So the mental learning objective today was I can multiply 2 small numbers mentally. The main learning objective, I can make sentences using times and equals. Here is our main learning task. Today we're going to start the main session as a class. Then we will work in pairs. Here is our main learning task. I throw 2 dice. I get a 6 and a 3. What is 6 times 3? I can make this many groups using 6 squared, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In 3 groups. 1, 2, 3. 6 lots of 3 or 3 lots of 6 makes 18. How else could we have written this? We could have written it like this. 3 times 6 equals 18. So here is the multiplication sign, the times sign. And here is the equals, which means same as. The time sign is a quick way to write times or lots of. What is the partner sum to 3 times 6? Of course you know. What does it total? 6 times 3, and it totals 18. Well done. You know your sums very well. Here is our main learning task. The partner to 3 times 6 is 6 times 3. So this time I have 3 columns, 1, 2, 3, and I have 6 piles, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 lots of 3. Each pair needed a dice and some linking cubes. They throw the dice twice and record the numbers. Use cubes to make equal length sticks for each of these numbers, like we did at the beginning of this lesson with the 6 piles and the 3 sets. See if you can use a mental picture of sticks to write the number sentence. Challenge to make yourself go even further in maths. Children write down their number set statements without using any cubes. Explain how you worked it out. The main learning objective. I can make sentences using the times symbol and the equals sign. Plenary. I'm going to give you a number. I want you to count out that many cubes. How many ways can this be shared equally? So we'll start here. Share this number equally and write the sum on the board. Pause the video while you share out the cubes. Share this number equally. How can I share this in different ways? Write the sums on the board. Pause the video to do it. Let's look at the next one. 30. How could I share this equally into different groups? Is there more than one way to do it? Pause the video and discuss. 24. How many ways can I break that into different groups? Write the sums on the board. Pause the video to discuss. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, then press the like button below it. Please subscribe to my channel to know when I will be uploading my next video. And if you press the notification bell, you will always know when I'm uploading a new video in the future. Thank you for coming today, and I look forward to seeing you again soon. Bye.